Hi everyone. So today I'm going to give the neon powders another go. We'll do something a little bit different, see what results we get. It's just a little experiment, and go from there. So sit back, enjoy, and you know the process. I've used these purple powders. I've dissolved it in alcohol first and then mixed the resin. So I've got purple, I've got pink, and I've got blue. So let's get started. So I think I'll put a little bit of this first. See where we go. Now, should I start with blue, pink, and purple? Let's start with blue. And then we'll do the pink on the outside. The last one I did was so funny. I've got a subscriber called Rose, and when she had a look at the one I used, the powders I used last time, it was like orange and green. And she sends me a message and she says, oh my god, she had to get the maintenance guys in to fix her TV once the yellow showed. She had me in hysterics. It was so funny. She said it was so bright. But seriously, I love these colors. I'm having fun with them. She loves purple, that I know for sure. But today I won't overwhelm her. I'll just put a little bit of this in the middle. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm having fun. I love trying new things. Just put a little bit of purple in the middle. See what outcome we get. paper. I'm not sure whether it's going to bloom or not, because I really haven't let the, I mean, I'm running at 26 degrees or something in the resin, so I don't know what it'll do, you know. We can only hope. Looks pretty though. Let's see what the other side shows. I did another one, and the results were really pretty. But I put too much yellow on it. It looked as though down the yellow brick road. So I'm hoping and praying to my guides that this bloom turns out beautiful. And for Rose. Hopefully she doesn't have to call maintenance. Oh, I gotta laugh. She made me laugh. Yeah, something's happening there. Not sure what. I wonder if it'll pull in. I'll put you on laps and see. So with what was left over, I'm doing this. We'll see how this one turns out. It's a little bit deeper mold, and I want to test my resiners dryer, so we'll give it a go. See you soon. Not sure what happened with my video, just turned itself off. But this is, I've molded it, and this is what the outcome is. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those colors. I'll bring it down. Look at that. Look at the little petals. That's so beautiful. Well, another experiment. Passed the test. My little blue disappeared a little bit, but I'm happy with that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for all the support. See you soon.